Hello there, welcome to Inquiring Minds. My name is Doug and I'm back with another shorty video. I recently did an anodization on this Gravitas Quark UP and I got it to some nice rainbow colors and I changed it over to a Kagulu long blade. I was so pleased with the results of that pen that I decided to do another titanium pen that I have, and that's the Asvine P36 piston filler. And as you can see, it came out really nicely. I didn't do any graduated colors. I made it blue. I like blue. I got some graduated colors on the clip, but let me show you how I did that right now. I decided to try it on my titanium Asvine P36 piston filler. That's titanium. I'm not sure about that, but I think so. And of course this end is titanium. I'm not sure about this mechanism in here. I think some of that is steel. Like these bits in here are steel, but we'll find out. So I'm going to go very slowly. I'm going to make them all one color, and then I'm going to stop at the color I like and do all the bits. So I'm thinking that I want some kind of a blue rather than some kind of a rainbow coverage on this. I'm going to make it all one color. What the hell? Nothing else to do, and it's a Tuesday. So with one battery, I've come up with this really nice gold color. The clip and the section and the cap ring are all titanium, as well as the top finial. Now we're going to try the end finial, which I believe is titanium, and I think this ring here is. I'm not so sure about the inside guts. So it appears the end finial is titanium, but that little ring is not. It's chrome, well as the rest of the piston mechanism, which I'm not surprised. It's a stock unit. I'm going to try this again. This ring. I put the P36 slightly back together again so you can see it, and I was wrong. That little end ring right there is in fact titanium as well. I think it looks very nice with that gold, but I want it to be blue, so I'm going to take it up to the voltage that gets me a nice deep blue. So the smallest piece is the top finial, and I've got 3 batteries here, which gets me 27 volts, which should be up into the blue range. So we'll see what happens. It's a very nice blue, and that's the blue I was looking for. Isn't that nice? That's 3 batteries, 27 volts. So we'll do the rest of them. And I'm getting a graduated look. It's still goldish bronze towards the top. I like that. It might just turn on me, but you can see that right there. There, I've dried it off. Look at that. This bit is still steel, but that's looking very, very nice. But this didn't get anything, so I'm going to put it back in. That's more like it. And there's the gap. There we go. Now let's put the pen back together again. And as you can see, I got the pen back together again, and it looks just stunning. I'm very pleased with it. Thanks for watching.
I made this.